Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Your Body is Acidic. Here is what you need to do. The real truth behind cancer. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you like my videos. Today I will share with you an amazing recipe to help alkalize your body. So stay tuned till the end of the video to get full information. The real cause of cancer has been found long ago by the Nobel Prize winner Dr. Otto Warburg. He discovered that the major reason for all cancer types to occur is in fact oxygen insufficiency. This means that if the body lacks oxygen, the organism will become acidic, and this will speed up the development of cancer. Moreover, Dr. Warburg also claimed that cancer cells are anaerobic, meaning that they cannot survive in an alkaline environment high in oxygen. Without any exceptions, all normal cells have an absolute requirement for oxygen, but cancer cells can live without oxygen. Deprive a cell 35% of its oxygen for 48 hours and it may become cancerous. What we can do to maintain the balance of our pH levels is to consume a healthy and balanced diet. pH balance is the balance of acid and alkaline cells and fluids in the organism. Our body needs to maintain the pH levels in the blood at an alkaline level of 7.365 in order to survive. However, modern living has made all of us eat dangerous, toxic, unhealthy and acid-forming products. These unhealthy eating habits cause detrimental acidic pH levels. Here are some conditions which can help you to recognize if you are in fact suffering from body acidity, so pay attention to the following: confusion, tiredness and exhaustion, dysfunction of cerebrum of the brain, headaches, flapping tremors, sleepiness. However, thanks to the medical progress nowadays, checking in with your pH levels is much easier. You only need litmus strips which are sold in local pharmacies and a little self-control. By doing that, you will be able to be always aware of the condition of the pH values in your organism. This process requires analyzing the urine and saliva on daily basis and comparing the results after. The levels of the pH in saliva should be between 7 and 7.4 throughout the day, while the morning urine should have levels between 6 and 6.5. In the case of an imbalance of the pH levels, there will be an interruption of the cellular functions and activities in the body. Moreover, if the levels of the pH slope to the acidic side, they will lead to numerous health issues, ailments and diseases from heartburn and osteoporosis to diabetes, cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Furthermore, if this state of the body lasts for a longer period of time, it will accelerate the aging process as well. In his book, The pH Miracle, Robert O. Young also claims that the main culprit for the incidence of numerous diseases is in fact the acidic state of the body. Namely, all kinds of dangerous organisms that destroy our health, such as bad bacteria, viruses, parasites or candida, survive and multiply in an acidic state, but cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. Therefore, in order to prevent health issues and preserve your health, you need to take some measures and maintain the alkaline state of your body and the balance of pH levels. Today I will offer you a fantastic natural remedy for acidity that will help you eliminate all health threats. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, half teaspoon baking soda. Method of preparation: you need to mix the ingredients until the mixture begins to fizz. Keep adding baking soda until the fizzing stops. Next, pour the mixture into a glass of water, 8 oz. Drink this mixture all at once first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Take every day for best results. You will immediately feel its beneficial effect, especially in the case of stomach acid or acidosis. This incredibly effective natural remedy will create an alkaline state of your body by neutralization of the pH levels and will thus help you prevent all kinds of diseases including cancer. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.